My name's Chris Jimenez. I am a 2021 graduate of the METM program. I am working for BW Offshore as a senior cost engineer.
So what was something that was surprising that you learned in the program that you weren't really expecting?
I think it was mainly the professional leadership development course and how it touched on emotional intelligence. I always thought I was a people person, but I didn't realize how much emotional intelligence I lacked until, going through this program. And it's really worked wonders, not only in my professional career, but my personal life. It's really gotten me to improve my relationships with not only other managers, management team, but with my wife, my personal life, my children. I'm completely open-minded, and I think that's what mostly surprised me about this program.
Applying for programs or considering continuing your education, when you found the METM program, what made you decide that this was a program that was good for you to say, yeah, I want to apply and this is somewhere that I want to go?
I actually was Googling quite a bit, and I was actually more geared towards business school. I just thought, an MBA would be great. But considering the direction that I was going in within my own career, working for an engineering company, I thought, okay, well, I really deal more in the project management, commercial aspect of the business. And so, of course, I was Googling, looking at different schools, and I come across the Master's of Engineering Technical Management program. And looking deeper into it, I realize this is exactly what I'm doing. And it allows me to kind of upgrade my skill set and help me with those business courses such as financial decision making. But since I'm not technically in a business role, I'm still in an engineering role, I thought this is what I need to manage technical teams. And so after reading more about the program and visiting, it was pretty much a lunch and learn or a dinner that the METM program provided. I was hooked. Lights started flickering, and I knew that this was a program for me.
So there's a lot of things that you guys learn in the METM program that you can take and use in your daily life, the moment after you learn it. What is something that you think that you've learned from the program that you find yourself applying or using in your workday?
One thing that I learned that improved practically overnight was my ability to communicate with other leaders. I work in a very cross-functional matrix style organization, and I'm typically getting spread thin with my line manager, my functional manager, and it's very hard to communicate when you have a lot of moving pieces. And I think there was one week we covered certain topics, and I felt like the following week I knew exactly what meetings to put together, and it's really helped me and kind of develop my position within the company. Now I connect. I don't just communicate, but I really connect with my coworkers.
Somebody was to ask you about, applying to the METM program, or you had to give anybody an advice, or somebody was considering it, right? What would you tell them? What would you want them to know?
To get ready to have your world rocked, really. If you're looking for a program to set you up for success, you have to go with the METM program. And there's 3 reasons why. 1, the faculty is professional. They're very professional and they're very helpful. 2, you're surrounded by great professionals, and you get to network. But 3, the most important thing is residency week. It will revolutionize your career, how you think, and how you engage and communicate with people. It's mind-blowing. Of course, the Aggie tradition is probably overall the best feeling in the world. So that's what I would really tell anybody that joins this program.